What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your salesman, AJ Anderson, down here at Bill Fick Ford in Huntsville, Texas. And I'm sitting here with my new friend, Brandon Wolfe, and he just bought a brand new F-150. This truck is beautiful. It's the King Ranch version, so it's just nothing but niceness everywhere you look. Brandon, how was your experience, brother?
It was good. I found the truck online, did some research, the price was good. Came down and bought it. It was easy peasy.
That's right. So he stays actually in the New Braunfels area now, so a couple hours away. Like you said, he's seen it online. Everything was transparent. Went for a test drive and knocked everything out. So here for a little bit, but it's fun, isn't it?
Oh, as fun as it can be.
Well, there you go. So if you want to have a good time just like this, give me a phone call at 936-293-0812. That is my cell phone number. And remember, I'm your salesman, AJ Anderson. I'm bringing honesty back to truck sales. You have a good one.